สุดท้ายอัตราชนของคณีบางไงนี้ยมเมียนแบรนด์คาดิลักลีริกมาเกืองได้เชียประเภทแลนด์มาตักพงไม้ของโพนไฮแลนด์นี่คือปัจจัยในสะอาดแต่งตักขน้ำในการขนมก็โดยเชียเอตาแลนด์แต่งมูแต่มาดองเชิงสมัยแลนด์นี่ได้คือเชียคาดิลักลีริก AWD ผมปลอย E4 พงไม้ของโพนเชิงปลอย E4 นี่คือเชียท็อปออปชั่นบอลแลนด์นึงให้ไฮแลนด์นี่ได้คือแรงวิทย์ละโหดแต่ดอประมวยกันโลดำนาการโดยปงปีให้ทำมาเตอร์ปีนั่นนะเชิงสมัยก่อนดิสันแลนด์นี่วิ่งพวกมันโฟนแบกคือแต่ทั้งนั้นคือcáiบัตรฟิล์มมาชมมองจังไปแต่ยังบอกมอคืออันมีโค้ดนั่นหลอดกระไรนะเต้ย่อมแต่นี้เอาสมบัยแต่แกงนี่ก่อนมีบังได้ให้จำเป็นว่าphù hợpชั้นนั่นคือบ้านของเปะปูโคในกระไรนี่แต่เอาดับมวยครบแต่มีปัญหาเพลิงนั่งสิงโยบัดดิ่งให้สมัยพระเลแลนนี่ได้คือแซนมาเต้นพวกมันโฟนแบกคือเชื่อแบบเป็นพระเลงปิ้งจัดแผนหกกดบัดเส้นจะพวกมันติงtớiคือยังกัดชั่วเอาเดอดกัดประแต่มาดอกแกต้องหมวยยันกองประเภทมาเตอร์ปีกับวิคอปีมาเตอร์มวยได้វាបំពាក់ជាមួយនឹង20អ៊ីងប៉ុន្តែនេះវាមានកម្របឡាយជ័រតិចតិចនេះបើសិនជាប្រភេទតើមួយគឺតែប្រាក់សុទ្ធតែម្ដងហើយឡាននេះដែរបាទគឺអេតាវាស្អាតទាំងអស់ពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនបាទគឺអត់មានបាញ់ថ្នាំអីទេហើយចំពោះម៉ូទ័រ2វាលយត្រង់ថានេះទ្វារវាយើងចុចមកគឺវាបើកតែម្ដងបើម៉ូទ័រមួយអត់ទេគឺយើងចុចដៃណាហើយអេតាខាងក្នុងឡាននេះគឺជាប្រភេទពុកពណ៌កន្លែងក្តារមានកៅអីម៉ាសាក្តៅត្រជាក់និង speaker AKG option ពេញពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនបាទមាន super cruise ដែលអាចបើកបរដោយខ្លួនឯងបានមានបេតុង startហើយឡាននេះដែរមកជាមួយនឹង smart key ទាំងអស់ពីរគ្រាប់ចឹងប្រភេទ motor 2ទៅមាន smart key ចេះហើយ smart key ហ្នឹងវាដូច smart key របស់ Land Escalade ចឹងវាមានបច្ចេកពីក្រៅបើកគូតក្រោយ lock និង unlock អូខេចឹងសម្រាប់ពុកខាងក្នុងពុកម៉ែបងប្អូននេះជាពុកពណ៌ brown ហើយមាន diamond ខាត់ចឹងណាចកោតវាស្អាតអេក្រង់ធំបាទគឺអេក្រង់អីដូចជាមួយនឹង Escalade ចឹងមកមើលកៅអីជួរទី2តិចនេះបើកអីជួរទី2វិញគឺនៅថ្មីជ្រើងហ្មងពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនបាទអត់មានប្រឡាក់ឬក៏បាក់អីទេហើយឡាននេះដែរគាត់ជិះតែនៅក្នុងក្រុងតែធ្វើការចិត្តផ្ទះដោយសារគាត់មានឡានច្រើនណាហើយគីឡូរបស់វា18000គីឡូគឺគីឡូ original ហ្មងហើយមានការ check up អីត្រឹមត្រូវហើយឡាននេះក៏អត់មានបញ្ហាអីដែរមកខ្ញុំនាំមកមើល stop ខាងក្រោយប្រភេទ700 E4 នេះ stop ខាងក្រោយវាស្អាតពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនបាទនេះគឺវាបានធ្វើ design មកកលាក់ចេះបើសិនជា motor មួយអត់បាននេះអាហ្នឹងណាហើយមាន sensor ទាំងអស់6មុខ6ក្រោយដោយសារវាមាន auto parking នេះការបើកគូតក្រោយវាយើងបើកដោយចុចក៏បាន kick ក៏បានដែរហើយកៅអីក្រោយវាគឺ auto យើងអាចចុច auto បិទបើកបានមាន radio នេះ radio របស់វាហើយកាមេរ៉ាជើងអីគឺវាមានជាប្រភេទកាមេរ៉ា VIP មកមួយឈុតតែម្ដងអូខេអញ្ចឹងត្រឡប់មកវិញចំពោះ Land Cadillac Lyric មួយគ្រឿងនេះដែរគឺយើងដាក់លក់នៅក្នុងតម្លៃ 56000 យើង free ទៅលើការកាត់ឈ្មោះនិងតម្លើងឆ្នាំងសាឲ្យពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនធានាទឹកថ្នាំនៅស្អាតមួយជុំហ្មងហើយតម្លៃ 56000 ហ្នឹងយើងអាចចរចាគ្នាបានតិចតួចទៀតអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់អ្នកដែល